everybody, Gina here with Beyond Belly Beads. I wanted to pop on today real quick. I just want to let you know that I will not be going live today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I am working behind the scenes, so I am creating more tutorials, trying to upload them. Again, I'm a one-woman show, so I've been trying to get these tutorials up and running for you on this channel, so that's what my attempt is today. Also, the orders that came in, I want to thank each and every one of you. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that you show up for me on my channel and my page, and all the orders that you have been getting. I'm really excited about them. So I will resume next Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube. You can also catch me on Facebook at 10:30 a.m. And that is on my Facebook page, and that is Beyond Belly Beads. Also, if you haven't already been part of my group Beyond The Hue, that is a group I created for all kinds of crafters. I didn't want to place myself in a box, so to speak. I wanted all crafters to be welcomed, whether you're a painter, whether you do paper beads, whether you create pottery. I wanted a place, a safe space for crafters to come in and maybe inspire others, not just paper beads. So it's a real fun group. I just started it. It's called Beyond The Hue. That's H-U-E on Facebook. I'll drop the link below. But again, I just want to pop on and let you know that I really appreciate you showing up for me on my live shows. Today I won't be on, but I will be behind the scenes creating these great tutorials. Also, I am including a deep dive into my junk journals that all of you have been asking for. So I'm excited about that too. It's a journey that I've been wanting to go down that path for so long, and I'm absolutely excited about it. So it's happening, and I think you may enjoy it as well. Again, I really appreciate each and every one of you for supporting my channel, for all the orders that come in through Beyond the Belly Beads, and I'm just excited. So thank you once again, and I will see you next Sunday here on YouTube at 4 p.m. or Facebook at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, I will drop all the links. Thank you again. I hope you have a happy Sunday, and I'm so grateful for all of you. Bye.